Come on. Seriously? The best bakery in the Langtang Village. Check this out. I actually had the best chocolate cake and chocolate croissant here. The best. Hands down, the best. Let's go inside. So, chairs here. Okay. It's super warm. They have Wi-Fi and outlets to charge your phone. Super. And cappuccino. Cafe latte. The best. I did not get in coffee because I had a ginger tea, actually 2 ginger tea at our guest house. Hello again. There's so many homestays, so many tea houses here to pick and choose from. And most of them have solar water heater, so can almost guarantee a hot shower. Almost. These guys are saying hello to me. Namaste. YouTube. I guess YouTube video recording.
Oh, no.
Namaste from America.
Namaste from Langtang, Nepal. Welcome to our village.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Souvenir shop. Hand woven souvenirs. Oh my goodness, look, the clouds, we're so high up. The clouds are rolling in. Okay, I gotta go. Yaks.
Hello.
Okay, hello. Okay,
You're from YouTube?
I am a YouTuber and an American as well. All right, let's try. Oh, I did not expect this. The clouds would be rolling in. I forgot. We are 3,500 meters high. I totally slipped my mind. I just wanted to show you everything and nice. We thought about staying at that hotel, but this is not to. It's another hotel. Namaste. Hello, beautiful ladies. Oh my God, the clouds just rolled in. That's one guest house / tea house, and this aqua looking building is our building. That's our guest house where we're staying. Travelers guest house. Okay. Let's go out here. So excited. Yep, 3,500 meters. Yep. Oh my goodness, the clouds just rolled in. I was not anticipating that. It's I think it's like 4:30, maybe 5:30 in the evening. It's probably closer to maybe 5:20. There are a lot of yaks and horses out here. But the herders, they... Namaste! Namaste. That's yak poop, and if you don't know, then depending on how severe the season is, like when winter's really bad, they will dry the yak poop, and then to stay warm they'll burn it in the fireplace. But right now, because it's not, like, it is cold, but it's not snowing, they're still using wood. But yeah, this is Langtang Village. It's overcast. Alright. Peace, one love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, subscribe. Of course, like the video. And if you don't like it, then let me know why. And I'm okay with that. Not everyone's gonna like my content. But this trek right here, it is amazing. Alright. Peace out from Nepal. Hit me up in the comments. What do you think of this village? Let's get the local shop. Get the local shop here before I end the video. Actually, so we have drinking water. I think it's 100 rupees. It's safe to drink, so I'm guessing it's purified. Hold on. It's already, yeah, it's already pure. That's pretty cool. And water treatment. And then there's a little local shop. Oh my god, they have lotion in here. See that? They have tuna as well. And of course, good old Snickers. And Fanta Fanta. They have lotion. I'm so surprised. And they have a lot of... let's see, can you see? That's cool. So you can restock toilet paper, if you smoke, I guess cigarettes, candy, Coca-Cola. This is pretty cool. I'm happy I got to end with... Actually, this is a traveler's shop. I don't know if it belonged to our guest. Bye! Alright, this is our building. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Get out and travel. Enjoy the world. Peace from Nepal in the Himalayas.